Hello everyone, I am SUHASH from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysuru, and I am currently pursuing my sixth semester in Bachelor's of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Have you ever wondered how much money you can save and how much carbon emission you can cut just by making smart choices at your home? Today, I am showing my project that has been done in my fifth semester as a mini project, and I built a project called Energy Intelligent Agent. It is a web based agentic AI application that is designed for the homeowners to help them to seamlessly transition to clean energy while maximizing their savings. Let's dive in. Going green can be incredibly confusing. Homeowners are constantly flooded with the questions like what incentives apply to my location, are solar panels worth it for me, or which appliances actually achieve zero carbon emissions. The Energy Intelligent Agent solves exactly that. Powered by Google's advanced AI models, this application acts as a sustainability consultant, that is a personal sustainability consultant. User can simply ask the questions to the AI agent about localized tax rebates, incentives on the clean energy products, or the best energy efficient upgrades like heat pumps, smart thermostats, and LEDs. So let's take a quick look under the hood. The project is split into the robust Python backend and lightweight responsive HTML and JavaScript frontend. On the backend, we use the main.py to handle the core logic and API routing. The intelligence itself is driven by Google AI Studio API, giving our agent a deep contextual understanding of the green energy policies. On the front end, everything connects seamlessly through the API service layer, allowing a smooth real-time conversation for the users right from the browser. Using a simple live server setup. Setting up is incredibly straightforward. So let us go to my project file through VS Code. So yes, this is my project file that has been mentioned as a mini project, and I have both the backend and the front end file over here. And this is the main file that has been already opened. And let's have a new terminal. In the new terminal, let us navigate to the backend and let us install all the requirements in order to run the backend. So all my backend files requirements has been stored in this file, that is the requirement.txt, and now I am installing all this file. So as I am already installed all this file in my backend, so it has been installed very fastly. So next let us run our main file so that our backend server gets activated. So this is the command to run the backend file. So yes, it is running successfully. And when we look at in our browser, it is giving a status. Okay, so this means that our backend is running successfully. And let us run our front end. So the main file in the front end is index.html, and let us open with the live server in order to view the front end. So this is how the front end looks like, which is a simple HTML and JavaScript front end. There is nothing more complex here. So as you can see here, um, we have a search bar in order to search the products based upon the zip code. And here we have featured energy products. So some of the energy product that has been mentioned in our backend database has been visible here, and we can able to edit this, and we can also add the product. So this option has been given to the product seller, not for the buyer. So product seller can add the products, edit the product details, and delete it. So then, so for example, if I check based upon the zip code, so it is giving, so we have a federal solar in the zip code 42561, and the incentives will be getting is $2,500. Yes. So Before going to the agent, so I have to mention the main keys. Our AI agent works based upon the Google AI Studio API key. So here we have to apply our API key, or we have to provide our API key here. So here I have been provided my API key. So yes, let's check with the agent. So this is the chatbot interface. So now the response has been, or the input has been given by the user, and this is how the response has been given by the agent. So it is greeting us. So how can I help you today? So I'll ask um, for the list all the products. So when I ask my agent to list all the products, so my agent will fetch, or it will choose for a particular tool. So here the tool is fetch all the products, and by fetching all the products, it gives the all the products that has been inside our database. So as you can clearly see that these are the products we have, and even in the home page, if we come here, we have the same product, and it has been given by the agent also. So based upon the user query, it will take the reason from the user, and then based upon the reason, it will try to fetch the particular tool based upon the reason, and then by using that tool, it will try to give an appropriate answer to the user. We will also try another. So another input that has been given by the user. So which product has a less incentive, and the less incentive is for the product all powers 100 watt with an incentive of $229. So this is how our agent work. So this project, which will clears the bridges between the complex energy data and everyday house owners using the power of agentic AI. If you found this interesting, check out the repository, give it a star, and let me know if you want any further changes and if you love to see those changes. Thanks for watching.